Hey, Jay, I want to thank you so much for putting together inventory as a voting system. It's incredible. I came to IAAVS in order to find the right approach for me because I'd taken a look at reversals and different types of setups and never really felt entirely comfortable with it. Um, IAAVS gave me the approach that allows me to be surgically accurate with entries and exits. So for anybody who's on the fence, maybe you're like me and never felt 100% confident with other things that you've learned, IAVS is going to give you a fantastic education to feel confident about being precise going in and getting out of the market. Don't just sign up though and think because you got the lessons that the money's going to flow. You're going to get out of it what you put into it, and lean in because you're going to be taught by the best. So I can't recommend IAAVS highly enough, and I heartily encourage anybody who wants to make a serious effort in the market to join the workshop and join the cohort. If the candles are moving, somebody's making money. Might as well be you. Thanks so much, Jay. Really appreciate it.